Good morning, it's Stacy from Wayside Garage, and today Cameron and I are going to be showing you a brake fluid test, and we'll discuss the importance of making sure that your brake fluid does not have too much water content. So Cameron's going to show you where we have this WinStar here, and this is the brake fluid reservoir, and we're going to test the water content with two different tools. This one first, and then the next one's going to be this one. So we'll use the stick style first to test brake fluid water content. Gotta get in there. You press the button and that one tests good at 1%. Let's test the other one. Okay, on to the next one. Now we're gonna do the next one here. There's Cam.
Okay, it's on.
Perfect.
There you go.
This one you actually have a probe that dips into the fluid so that way we can test. And we're also testing, this one allows you to test different fluids, whether it's .3, .4, or .5.1. So this one is right at 2%, which is not bad, it's marginal. Bowl of water here, and then we also have a brand new bottle of brake fluid.
Okay, here we go. Doing the stick one first in water. And in the water, it is reaching more than 4% moisture content.
Go.
Next test is the other brake fluid tester. Here we go. On. Same thing as well, more than 4% moisture content.
And it's giving an audible warning. So that tells you that it's water. Now we're gonna test the brake fluid.
So now we're gonna get a brand new bottle of brake fluid here with our stick tester. We're gonna test it out. And as you see, we're reading 1% moisture content with the new brake fluid.
So that's how you test for water content in your brake fluid. And some of you might be asking why you would need to do that. Well, it's very important to make sure that the brake fluid doesn't have any excessive moisture, so that way you don't run into a situation where you're not able to stop. Brake fluid is a hygroscopic fluid, so it naturally attracts moisture. It's something that should be serviced probably at least, depends on where you live, but in all reality, anywhere from 30 to 40,000 miles, or sometimes up to once a year. And Cameron, what are some of the reasons why water gets into the brake fluid?
Some of the reasons could be atmosphere, maybe microscopic holes in your brake lines, and another one would be your seals.
Perfect. So if you have any questions about that, or if you'd like to have your brake fluid tested, come on down and see us and we'll get you taken care of. Give us a call, 831-899-2425, Wayside Garage.